Well, hello on this Monday, and we're talking about the storm that got away, pretty much. Tomorrow's storm system, boy, the computers have had a hard time with this one all over the map, but it's looking more and more likely that the bulk of this precip is going to be off to our east. We've got a developing low off to the west, high pressure and control of our weather here today, yet it's sliding off to the southeast, and that's going to keep skies sunny through the day today. So pretty nice Monday, a little cooler than the weekend temperatures, probably staying mainly in the 30s, even with that sunshine. But we're watching that deepening low off to the west, and we're going to start to see the precip fill in a little bit more here across Nebraska, Kansas, into Iowa, in the form of likely rain. And then as we head into the overnight hours, we'll see kind of a mix, but we're going to be on the northern edge of the system, so lighter precip amounts, regardless of if it's rain or snow, into tomorrow. And then it really ramps up here more into Iowa and Wisconsin, looking like they'll be the ones who get the turn here with some heavier precip. But we're also going to be watching those temperatures aloft. And what you see here, these red and blue temperatures, those are warmer than freezing temperatures, so above freezing temperatures aloft. And that's why we're looking at a lot of rain moving into this system as that warm air gets really wrapped in. You can even see that kind of comma shape. That's the warmth being wrapped into this system. So warm air is going to be an issue for the forecast here, even across Wisconsin, where they're looking at more snow. How much of it's going to be snow, how much warm air gets how far north. So something that they'll be paying attention to in the central part of Wisconsin. So overnight, some light snow showers, light rain showers are possible, but we're talking very light stuff, hit and miss. But temperatures are going to be right around the freezing mark. So it could get slick late tonight or early tomorrow if you do have to be anywhere. But most of that precip, again, slides off to the east, and heavy snow gets going here during the day across parts of Wisconsin. In fact, talking 3, 4, maybe some 5-inch amounts for central and southern Wisconsin. So places like Black River Falls, even Madison could get in on some of the heavier snowfall totals, but you can see pretty sharp cutoff as we head further west and northwest. So in Minnesota, including the Twin Cities, we're talking about anything we see will be under an inch, and because we'll get a little bit and then it'll stop, a lot of it will melt, kind of like what we saw yesterday morning. So again, very light amounts, if anything, under an inch here across Minnesota. But Wisconsin, it's their turn to get some heavier snow. We've had a couple of storm systems, so they can have a go of it. Temperatures, as I mentioned today, are going to be a little bit cooler than what we saw over the weekend, mid-30s. That's only a degree or two below normal, though, but notice the warmth off to the west, and that's that warm air that this system is going to wrap in. Skipping ahead, though, to Thanksgiving, because tomorrow, Wednesday, pretty similar temperatures, but low to mid-40s, so not a bad Thanksgiving. It's going to be mild. We should have sunshine, I think, by the afternoon. Might start the day with some clouds, and then jumping ahead to a week from now, we're talking about some pretty chilly air potentially by Monday. So we're talking highs only in the 20s perhaps early next week as we transition from November to December. But Saturday looks mild too. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday should yield some milder temperatures for us. 36 for the high this afternoon. We'll have sunshine down to, again, just near or below freezing tonight. So again, even some light precip could make for some slick conditions out there. Again, the road surface is not really too treated. It's still pretty cloudy, but mostly dry on Wednesday. Highs just upper 30s to near 40. And then Thursday, again, Thanksgiving looks like one of our milder days of the week, low to mid 40s. And I think we'll see low to mid 40s Friday, Saturday before, again, that drop in temperatures potentially early next week. Not Arctic air, but it does look colder as we end November and start December, at least for a couple days next week.